Welcome to Picture Perfect, Port Ludlow, Washington. I'm Bryan Diehl and I'll be your host of this little tour today. One of the first things you'll notice about Port Ludlow, Washington is its location right here on Picture Perfect Ludlow Bay, featuring the resort at Port Ludlow. This is the marina. There's Heron Beach, the totem. We'll get back to that later. Let's go up to the waterfall for a few minutes. This is the wonderful Ludlow Falls Interpretive Trail. It's about a mile walk from the marina, and then the trail itself is about a half a mile through the forest and up the waterfall. It's just beautiful. Great way to relax and unwind. Let the world go away for a little bit. If you need another beautiful walk to take you away, Port Ludlow's 18-hole championship golf course. This is what made Port Ludlow famous back in the 70s. Still beautiful, mature, well kept. Nice walk in the park. Don't miss the golf course. Now, in case you haven't had enough walking around, we've also got over 30 miles of walking trails through the community. That's another thing you don't want to miss. Like I said, we're back at the totem pole. Beautiful place for a picnic, and it's right on Heron Beach. Beautiful south-facing white sand. Gorgeous place to spend the afternoon. Thanks for coming along with me again today. I'm Bryan Diehl. Thanks for watching, everybody.